Educate yourself today. Find the answers, lead the way. Question why, seek the light. Grow your hair with strength and might.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the Magnify Your Hair Otherwise challenge. I am Diane, and today we are diving into our fourth and last exercise of the challenge, that is re-educating ourselves about our hair. For years now, we have been programmed not to love our hair and think that it is a curse to have afro hair. Over time, we have lost the art of handling our hair. Very few tend to question why we do X or Y on our hair. It's often what they usually say. That's how it has always been done, so don't ask me why it is like that. I just do it that way because that's how I was taught. No wonder we struggle so hard. With this exercise, I want you to take the time to question everything you do with or on your hair. Ask yourself, why do I wash my hair? Why do I use shampoo? Must I always protect my hair, or must I always put in protective styles? Why do people advise using a wide tooth comb to detangle our hair? Though these questions may sound stupid and simple, being honest with yourself, you will realize that for many things you do with your hair, you don't even know why. So note that no question is stupid. Bringing precise and concise answers to all these questions that you ask yourself will make you more grounded and confident all through your journey, as you will know why you do what you do. Today, even though I have given answers to most of these questions for myself, I still continue to do research to be, like I said, more precise in my answers. There are even some answers that have been modified over time as I have accumulated more information about the subjects that I set my goals on. For example, today, for someone who wants to wear their hair free like me, like I do all the time, I no longer do protective styles on my hair. I don't braid my hair. I don't weave. I just wear my hair natural as it is. If they are not in twist, where I am after my wash day, where I put them in twist, I will wear them free like this. I like wearing my hair free, not in an afro. Let me precise, but I like wearing my hair free. And today, I will not advise someone who wants to do what I do with my hair today to detangle their hair with a wide tooth comb, simply because the wide tooth comb is not the best tool to achieve this result. That's the reason. So when people be saying, oh, you have to detangle your hair with a wide tooth comb brush, you have to understand why you're using that wide tooth comb brush and what results you can get with that. Today, to achieve this particular result, which is a twist out, yes, it may look like a wash and go, but it is a twist out. To achieve this particular result, I will advise someone to detangle their hair either with a brush and the tangle teaser brush. That is the brush I find the best at this moment from all the brushes that I have used. I prefer the tangle teaser. You can use the imitation, it does the same job. So the tangle teaser or your fingers, that means you detangle your hair either with a tangle or with your fingers. And I have come to this conclusion simply because I spend my time questioning all that I do on my hair. Because I know what is my goal, because I have set my goal already and I know what it is, I do research every day to be more precise, to be very concise in what I do, why I do those things. I make sure I understand the why to be able to get better results with time, because as time passes, my hair is becoming more and more flourishing. And I myself can notice that, though people around me are telling me that, I have noticed that for myself too. From the previous exercise, we set our goals. Now it is time for us to unlearn all that we know about Afro hair. Think logically, do research, and download into your brain all the new information that makes sense to you and can help you achieve your goals. Aristotle said, the more you know, the more you realize you don't know. There is nothing like it has always been done like that, so I just do it like that and without questioning. That is heading straight into a wall. There is a reason for everything, and now it is left for you to discover why. You have to discover why you do what you do on your hair. That is the only way you can tame the untamable, as Afro hair has been tagged of untamable hair. Knowing what you do and why you do those things will make your hair be tameable. You will be able to tame your hair back. So take the time to re-educate yourself about your hair. Question everything and seek for answers. Okay, I just noticed that we were cut. So what I was just trying to say with this exercise, you have to take the time to re-educate yourself, question everything, and seek for answers. Seek for real answers, not just questioning and they tell you that's how it has always been done and you sit back and say, oh, that's how it has always been done. Remember that you also live in a new environment, so while looking for your answers, you can in the same time in those answers find the best match with the new environment in which we find ourselves today. So don't forget that. And in your discoveries, come back in the comment section and share with us, share with the community what are your discoveries. I'm always happy when I see someone share what they've discovered. That's one of the principal reasons for this channel. I am here to share what I have learned so far to help every woman in this world to reach her goals, to attain her goals with her hair, the hair goals that she has for herself and her children. So come in the comment section, share your discoveries, and together let's continue to learn and grow. So that's it for this video. Thank you to have watched till this moment. I am happy and I say bye. See you in the next video. Bye.